What's up, blooms? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I maintain my Flexi rod curls. So right now, this is day one hair. I just got home from work. I want to show y'all what my hair is looking like. It has been a bit humid where I am, so the humidity got to my hair, but the curls are still looking good. So for this process, I'm going to be using my scrunchie, satin scarf, and bonnet. So right now, I'm just putting my hair up in a pineapple and then securing it with the scrunchie. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on my satin scarf and my bonnet. So the Flexi Rod set ended up lasting me 4 days, which is exactly what I wanted. I installed the curls on Monday and I ended up wearing the style until Friday. I just did a bun on the last day because my hair was not looking too good. But yeah, this is what I did every night to maintain my hair. And now I'm going to show you how I take it down in the morning. All right, y'all, so it's the next day. I'm getting ready for work and I'm taking my hair down. First, I'm just taking off the bonnet and then the scarf. And the next step that I do is take down the scrunchie and shake my hair. I just shake, shake, shake until the curls fall into place. And then I pick them a little bit. I didn't want to pick it too much because I didn't want to over manipulate my roots, but I did ended up picking my hair just a little bit just to get them together. But yeah, after taking down the bonnet and the scarf, I just shook my hair until it fell down into the places that I wanted, and then I just picked it out a little bit. But yeah, y'all, usually when it comes to maintaining curls or a style, I do a pineapple. But when it comes to twist outs, I do have a different method on how I like to preserve my hair. I'll leave that video in the cards for you to check out if you'd like to see. Now I'm just picking my hair and shaping it until I get the look that I want. But yeah, this is what day 2 hair is looking like so far. Humidity and all. All right, y'all, so we're on day 3 and this is what we're working with. By this point, my curls have lost a lot of the definition. My hair is not looking its best, but you know what? We are going to make it work. So this is what the curls are looking like. I'm just shaking it out like I told y'all before. Shake, 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 shaping it. But this time around, I didn't want to wear my hair down that day. I wanted to do something different, especially towards the front. My hair wasn't looking the best. So I'm going to show you a quick little style that I did for work that day. I hope you guys enjoy this video so far and let me know how you preserve your Flexi Rod sets at night. morning, y'all. So today is Thursday. It's officially been 3 days now since I styled my hair. I installed the Flexi rods on Monday and today's Thursday, and these are my results 3 days later. My hair has lost some of the definition and it doesn't look exactly how it did 3 days ago, but I still like this. And I also like this little style that I did here. I think it looks really cute and I'm able to wear my glasses and keep my hair out of my face. So yeah, I like this day 3 hair, but I think tomorrow would be the last day that I would wear this out. This works out perfectly because I wanted the style to last till Friday, so that's a win right there. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys my nighttime routine when it comes to preserving my hair and also how I take care of it in the morning before going to work. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of day 3 hair and also this style. If you haven't seen my previous video where I installed the Flexi rods, I'll leave it in the cards for you to check out. But that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time. Okay, this is a random outfit of the day. I have my black top that I got from Rainbow and these super cute brown pants, also from Rainbow. This is my hair. I look cute. My nails are done. I have my, oh, you can't even see it no more, but my cheetah scrunchie. We look cute. We're ready to go. This is the outfit of the day.